In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email on Shopify. So for this, all you want to do is sign into your account, go to your homepage, which should look like this. And then once you're here, you want to click on your profile icon in the top right corner, click on your account, which is also in the top right. And then right there, you should see your email. So this is a test store I just launched just for these tutorial videos. So my email address isn't verified yet, but this is also where you can change your email. So go to general, then right there you'll find details, then right there you'll find your email, then right there you'll find change email. Click right there, new email, you can enter it right there, enter your current password, then click on change email, and that's how you can do it. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. If you appreciate this quick tutorial, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next video. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.